Ghee is a type of clarified butter traditionally used in Indian cooking. It is made by simmering butter until the lactic byproducts are removed, leaving only the pure fat. Ghee is then used to fry, sauté, or season foods. Ghee is different from butter as it is made through a long cooking process that removes the casein and lactose from the butter, leaving only the fat. This production process allows the ghee to have a higher smoke point and to retain the nutritional properties of the fat, especially the fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamins A, D, E, and K. In India, ghee is considered sacred and is used in temple cooking and during religious ceremonies. It is also used in Ayurvedic medicine for its purported healing power, as it is believed to have soothing properties for the gastrointestinal tract and to help strengthen bones and improve vision. Ghee is also common in other Asian cuisines such as Pakistan, Nepal, and Bangladesh, and also heavily used in Persian cuisine. Butyric acid is a short-chain fatty acid that occurs naturally in some foods, including ghee. Butyric acid is thought to have some health benefits, particularly for colon health. Colon health support. Butyric acid is a major nutrient for colonic mucosal cells and has been shown to help improve colon health. For example, it can help prevent inflammation of the colon, promote the growth of beneficial bacteria, and increase the production of mucin, a substance that coats the colon and protects it from infection. Metabolism support. Butyric acid may also help support metabolism and weight loss. Being a short-chain fatty acid, butyric acid can be easily metabolized by the body's cells and used as an energy source. Additionally, it can increase the production of thyroid hormones, which are important for metabolism. Indians traditionally have a plant-based diet and use milk and milk derivatives mainly as ingredients in the preparation of their recipes, in limited quantities compared to other cultures. Some individuals and cults in India regard milk and its derivatives as sources of armor or toxins, and believe that the consumption of dairy products can cause health problems such as intoxication and inflammation. In fact, some people may be intolerant to lactose, a sugar found in milk, causing symptoms such as bloating, diarrhea, and abdominal pain. Ghee is a source of fat. It is lactose-free as the process of making ghee involves the removal of the lactose and casein present in the butter. The smoke point is the temperature at which a fat or oil begins to decompose and produce fumes. When fat decomposes, fumes are generated and unstable chemicals are produced which may be harmful to health if inhaled. Furthermore, decomposed fat can alter the taste and aroma of foods, making them less pleasant. The smoke point of ghee is higher than regular butter and other common vegetable oils. This means that ghee can be used for cooking at higher temperatures without burning or affecting its taste and nutritional properties. The smoke point of ghee is around 230 degrees Celsius to 232 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for frying, high-temperature cooking such as tandoori and other Indian cooking, without the risk of burning the fat. According to Ayurveda, ghee is considered a rasayana, a substance that can support longevity and overall health. Ghee is considered a medicine because it has purported healing properties for the gastrointestinal tract and is believed to help strengthen bones and improve vision. Thanks for watching.